what I got right here. Well, I can see this is Denon DJ. Guys, we're gonna have an open box. What you're waiting for, this one is the Prime 2 controller. What is your software? Virtual DJ, Serato. We have it right here. We have a great open box right now. All right, so how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and now we bring you a lot of cool DJ equipment. So today, yes, we have an open box of the Denon Prime 2 controller. So what are you going to be using for virtual DJ Serato? In my case, I've been using virtual DJ for my whole entire life, so I will continue that. Now the cool thing on this one, you can either use Serato or virtual DJ, whatever software you want to use, but you can use this by yourself. Allow you to install hard drive, pen drives, whatever you want to use, so you can mix it up and do all you could mix right with this without using a computer. In my case, I think I would love to use a computer, bigger screen, but this has a screen too. This is pretty cool. Dario, show me the open box. I want to see right now the Prime 2 controller. But you want to see that? We bring you a lot of more things. So subscribe to MEDIABOXENT by hitting right there in the side and notification bell. Why? Because you become a super DJ right now, and you need to know more about this stuff equipment. We're gonna bring it to you right here in the MEDIABOXENT. Subscribe right now. All right, so we got out of the box. Pretty impressed, man. It's pretty impressive. I just look at this picture. So that's what we have right here. The Denon Prime 2 controller, 7-inch screen, allow you to install a 2.5 drive, so you can load all your MP3s, all your music. Now the cool thing, you can use this with the virtual DJ or Serato. In my case, I've been using forever virtual DJ. Actually, I started using virtual DJ when it used to be Atomic MP3. You can mention that. So the nice thing, you can use both things, or you can use this by yourself without a computer. In my case, I love to use a computer. They give you benefits. It's a little different. Use both. Looks pretty cool. Let's continue with the open box. Let's look at the box. Real nice controller. We see it right here. All right. Let's go ahead and check it out. Wow, wow, wow. Pretty impressed. First time seeing it. We just opened the box and I said, this thing looks super cool. Amazing. What a difference. Super simple now. One controller. In my case, like I said in the beginning, you're gonna go to virtual DJ. I know some people love Serato. Whatever software you want to use with this is still great. And the beautiful thing with this too, if you want to use this by yourself, you just go by yourself and that's it. You like to use this, right? And without connecting a computer, in my case, I would like to connect it. We're gonna try both. Let's change camera because we have to check this out. We really have to see this, all right? So it looks super beautiful. Now the screen here, we see 7-inch. We move this out? No. So this, it seems to do not move. I'm just checking this for the first time. And we have the microphones here, so we have two mics. That's pretty cool. Make it simple for me. We have the effects right over here. It's if you like to scratch. I'm not a scratchy guy. I'm not going to be scratching anything. I love to play deep house. That's my thing. So here we can put all the effects, the cue, play, mix it up. For me, I do not use the fade. I like to just go this way, and this is the way I mix. But if you're into the fade, we got it here, and this is to be able to do the music. I love the pad here. Right? It's a silver color. So we have the high, middles, and lows, and the filters level out. Back 4, tap is slow. We can speed up the track. Sure, we can speed up the track this way. Well, we have the sync. I think I saw the sync somewhere here. Sync right over here. Sync it. So if you're gonna use like a virtual DJ Serato, you sync it that way. All right. So the effects, I can see we can move it in and out. All right. And effect 1, 2. So it's pretty cool. Now, one of the things here, and allow me to insert an SD, a full SD, not a micro SD. And here we have a USB port over here. So if you have a thumb drive, you can put it there or just connect the hard drive. But I make it super simple. Now, if I look at now from the front, we got the headphones, a 1/4 inch and 1.8 millimeter jack. So whatever you guys want to use is pretty cool. Normally on DJ, and I never see 1.8 millimeter or 3.5, whatever you want to use. There's a 1.8 will be the USA, 3.5 millimeter is the European standard. But mostly, I think if you're a DJ, you're going to be using the 1/4 jack. But it's cool, they allow you to use that in case something, right? So we got that in the front, right here is how you're going to control theirs, A, B, B, C. If you're going to be using the fader, most likely for me, I neutralize that. I'm not going to be using that. All right, so we have more controllers and right over here. All right, so that jack, and let's turn this to the other side. So this one has a 7-inch screen, right? And this will light up here. I will, guys want to see it, let me go and show you this way, so you guys can really see this up. This is an open box, okay? And now I see power. So what we see from this side, because I'm seeing this for the first time with you guys all together. So right here, what we have is the power. We have a USB 3.0. So we have 1, 2, so we can put 2 drive. We have the USB Type B. So most likely it's the one you're going to be hooked up right into your computer to be able to talk to Serato Virtual DJ. Right, so we have it in output here. So we have left and right and XLR, so that balance cables. So that will be for your, it has to choose for your manual. All right, so we're able to hear you mix. Right, and then we got the mastered out, and that's the ones you're going to be playing, right? Or you from here you go to another mix or another console, or they straight from here it will go to the PA system. In my case, I'm going to be using, or I can use whatever, you know, just to lay. I'm most likely going to use the ones, the put ones, or the ones for me to hear the mix out. Then also at the same time, we have the RCA, so we have the unbalanced, so actually the unbalanced. We can go mono and stereo. But I think if you're a DJ, you become a DJ, I do recommend use XLR. That will be the way to go. And then what else we have? We have an aux out as well too. So most likely it's aux in or out. Doesn't tell me here. It says aux. Maybe it's in. Maybe it's out. I'm not sure yet. It can be regular aux, so you can use maybe for recording or anything else. And then we have microphone. That's pretty cool because we have 2 input to XLR, so we can bring a balanced microphone system connected to there, and pretty cool. And the power is here. All right, so I see that it's a little bit in, so cannot be turned off by mistake. It's not a switch actually. It's a momentary switch. So when you press it, I guess it turns up the power. It's not a figure switch. It means a toggle switch. It's a momentary switch. So it's pretty cool. Once again, we're just looking in an overview, my first impression, what I see when I got the open box. My next video, we're going to be testing this out. We're going to power it up and we go with deep details into the cool Denon, and this one is the Prime 2, guys. We're going to be testing this out. We got some real cool video coming out. We bring you a lot of digital equipment now. So, you know, you're just becoming a DJ now, or you're looking to become one. It says, okay, what I should get, you know, what is the review? What was the first impression? What do you get? Well, you get all this through MEDIABOXENT. So once again, make sure you subscribe to MEDIABOXENT, notification bell. And to make things easy for you, so you have to search what this guy got it, you know, that you can really pay a good price. So for all that, you want to make this yours right now. So I'll leave the link right below this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. What is your first impression? I mean, I love it. A lot of buttons. That's what I like. More buttons is better because we're a little more crazy. My case, once again, I DJ started using an Atomic MP3. And then from that, I switched to virtual DJ because then they took over. The group from France when they took over. Yeah, they went from an Atomic MP3 and then they switched that to a virtual DJ. So I mean, using virtual DJ since version 1, and now I don't know. They have so many version. I think it's version 8 right now. The one I'm using. Okay, the other way is not even playing videos. And Atomic MP3, I think I can remember version 1 or version 2 started playing, able to play videos to that. And so that's it for this. Leave me a comment, and we're gonna bring you some more cool videos on Prime and more addiction equipment. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.